Welcome to MasterTech Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Auto-Compose feature in Clipchamp to create videos easily and quickly. Let's get started. First, sign into Clipchamp and click on the Create a Video with AI button. Next, give your video a name by typing it into the title bar. After that, upload your media files by either clicking Click to add or dragging and dropping them into the media window. Once your media files are loaded, click on the Get Started button to continue. Now, it's time to select your video style. Choose from styles like elegant, bold, or vibrant, or let AI decide for you by clicking Choose for Me. Use the green thumbs up or red thumbs down buttons to share your preferences, then click Next when you're ready. Select the aspect ratio for your video, either landscape or portrait, and choose your video length. You can preview your video by clicking the play button before moving to the next step. AI will automatically select a background track, but if you want to change it, click the music button to explore other tracks. Preview the track by clicking the play button before finalizing your selection. Once you're happy with your video, click the export button to save it. Your video will be exported in 1080p HD resolution, but if you want to make further edits, click the Edit in Timeline button. That's it. Now you know how to use Clipchamp's Auto-Compose feature to create videos in just a few easy steps. Don't forget to subscribe to MasterTech Tutorials for more helpful tips and tutorials.